Alright, you guys, taking you on a stroll. We got a DashLink order today. It's been kind of light this week, but I'll show you guys what DashLink is. This is my DashLink order, you guys. I'm gonna pull up on the DashLink facility. It's one package this today, $25. About 36 miles. Not really worth it, but I don't turn down DashLink stuff. I usually always take it to stay in good standings. So, about to pull up on the Staples warehouse now, you guys. Drive in the back. Head up the ramp, pick up your package. As you guys can see, pull up the dock. Alright, as you can see, you guys, hit that one package, Kinfolk Row. Showing all packages scanned, you guys. Hit that. Now we're on our way. So, I know the next question. How far do you gotta take it? Alright, you guys. 28 minutes away. 27 miles. That's how far this package is going. Let's get to it. About to show you guys the Alabama countryside.
People you meet at the bottom ain't never gonna make a way to leave the bottom. Yeah, I try not to need nobody. At the bottom, some of them all be at the bottom. Yeah, try not to need nobody. Try not to need nobody. Some of the people you meet at the bottom. Made it up out the gutter, still intact. Watching my granddaddy cook crack. That was my first chemistry class. I was like 10. Rated this sunny days. I remember when the pretty bitch. My heart is in them bad hands.
Alright, you guys, we are here. Excuse my music, y'all know I love that intro. Alright, we're gonna start off by saying we arrived at the recipient. Alright, you guys, it's not normal like the normal way of doing things. You gotta scan this barcode first, which would be this barcode right here. You scan the barcode by just placing the phone over the barcode like this. Not scanned, come on now. Okay, you guys, it confirmed it. Now we're gonna take a photo when we drop it off. That is the way you not take a photo, and that is how they want it to look. Okay, you guys, that's what the picture looks like. Waiting on it to load. Also, let the people know, customer know that the package has been delivered. And press complete. There you go. Confirm. And there we go, you guys. We're done with the DashLink. $25. So you guys, that pretty much sums up the DashLink. It's kind of similar to Amazon, where you pull up, get your packages, scan your packages, and after that, put them in your phone and go from there, dropping them off. In Birmingham, it's a little slow. Have days like this where you only get one. Sometimes they may not have an order. Then you got some good days where you may have. I've had up to 38 packages that paid about $278. So this is an inside look at the DashLink and what that program is. And if you guys can, subscribe to my YouTube page, the family page, The Taylors. And I'll be uploading a bunch more DashLinks videos, and also I'll be in Houston doing DashLinks as well, so I'll make sure that I film those as well. Subscribe, and follow us on TikTok at The Taylors, you guys. Over 30 million views, close to 100,000 followers. So, peace.